Thinking about opening an account with BrioDirect? Ever wonder what the minimum balance requirements are and if they're right for you? It's a key question, because finding a home for your money that fits your financial goals is more important than ever. High-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and money market accounts all have different rules, and understanding them is crucial before you commit. So let's break down the minimum balance requirements at BrioDirect, starting with their high-yield savings account. To open one, you'll need an initial deposit of at least $5,000. Now, that's a higher starting point than some competitors, so it's something to consider. However, once the account is open, you only need to maintain a daily balance of $25 to earn the advertised APY. So while the barrier to entry is a bit high, the ongoing maintenance requirement is quite low, and there are no monthly maintenance fees. Next up, their Certificate of Deposit, or CD. A CD is a great tool for long-term savings, but it's less flexible. For BrioDirect CDs, the minimum deposit is $500. Just keep in mind that with a CD, you're locking in your money for a set term, and there are penalties for early withdrawal. Finally, let's talk about the money market account. Similar to the savings account, you'll need a minimum deposit of $5,000 to open a BrioDirect money market account. Again, there are no monthly maintenance fees to worry about. To sum it all up, for a high-yield savings account and a money market account, the minimum to open is a $5,000 deposit. For a high-yield savings, you only need to keep $25 in the account to earn interest. And for a CD, you can get started with just $500. Understanding these numbers is the first step in making an informed decision about where to put your money. BrioDirect offers competitive rates, but it's important to make sure their requirements align with your own financial situation and goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.